House loan po talaga 5,000. Tapos nung bali, siguro po, mga 3 months po, natapos kaagad namin. Pangalawa na naman po, hanggang umabot po kami 10,000.
When we speak of ending poverty, we must not just address the material aspects of the poor, but more importantly, is to address as well the spiritual aspects of humanity. Transformation can take place only if the minds and hearts of the poor are transformed according to the values of the Word of God.
Minsan, lagi mainitin ang ulo ko. Tsaka dati medyo sabi, suplada daw ako. Pero ngayon, marunong na po ako makiano sa tao.
This is not purely a business relationship. This is a relationship meant to promote, to empower humanity and really restore the people to a life of dignity, and integrity.
Ang pangahawakan lang namin is yung pangako. Pero nagtitiwala siya sa amin na kami willing pa rin pahiramin. Napakalaking bagay po sa aming mahihirap yon.
Simply, when we say that SHED is all about Christ, SHED is all about reflecting the image of Christ in the way we relate with one another and the way we relate with them.
Yung konting pera na nahiram ko, na nadagdagan ng second loan, nagparlor ako dito. Nag-accept na nga kami ng mga wedding at saka debut. Ngayon, ewan ko ba, siguro talagang hindi pa ukol eh. Nagkaroon ng sunog, naubos na yung bahay ko sa St. Joseph. Lahat ng plano namin nasama sa sunog. Ang isang ipinasasalamat ko, naandyan ang SHED. Hindi nila kami pinababayaan. Binibigyan nila kami ng pagkakataon na kahit kami may mga balance pa na makatayo, makapagsimula uli dahil sa hindi naman dun lang matatapos yung buhay namin.
We launched SHED as a membership organization that is open to both rich and the poor. The rich as benefactors or support partners, and the poor as the member beneficiaries. The collection responsibility in SHED, following the concept of a shared responsibility, is a responsibility of the members, not the staff, not the field workers of SHED. The two pillars in the SHED program are wealth creation and transformation. On the wealth creation program, we have 3 levels. One is on encouraging them to save. The second level is leading them to become micro-entrepreneurs. And then they're encouraged to become social capitalists with funding coming from the Excellence Awards from their livelihood loans. The other pillar is more on values formation. But microfinance alone never going to be enough. To make that possible, that ambitious dream, this is where we need to network with potential donors, with philanthropists, individuals and institutions.
May gusto pa akong maabot, ginagawa ko, ginagandahan ko yung hulog ko. Dinadagdagan ko yung savings ko para at least makapag-loan ako ng mas malaki at para maabot ko yung pangarap ko. Kaya talagang silungan silungan ng kagipitan.
Come, share this responsibility with us to be a refuge to those who are in need, a shelter from the feet.